Hey guys, welcome back to Zelda Pub, and today I'm going to be opening Hanazuki toys and Hatchimals egg collectibles. It's really cool. So the first one I'm going to open is Hanazuki. I do not know what that means. So let's start opening. So it's technically like some Japanese toy with like little see-through things. So you could see that. And then you could use them on chain bracelets and stuff. So today we're going to be opening this first, and then we'll move on to the egg collectible hatchables. So let's open this first. We're going to open up the package. So we're opening this up.
Dollar bill.
You see.
It's okay. She wasn't in it because I was zooming in.
So now as you can see.
Dollar bill. Oh.
So you can see, like, there's a unicorn-looking thing. Don't know what it is. And then there's like some of these things. I think one fell out. So there's this weird-looking thing. This thing looks like a plug. I don't know, like a plug. They're kind of like Japanese shotguns that look like weird. Then I'm gonna take another thing out. This is a flying pig. A flying pig. Oh, sorry. This one is actually a frog, I think. It's a frog. The next one is a drill. And you could, like, put these on chain bracelets. The next one is I think it's a globe. Like a globe with stars and everything. It's really cool.
Hi guys, I'm your twin Lucy.
Out of the video now. And then
Jordan, it's only I'm only looking at you.
whoops. And then this thing is I think it's a penguin. Penguin, like a blue penguin. It's gonna sneeze. And then this one, don't really know what it is. If you could see what that is, can't really see. And then
I think that's a monkey on.
this thing, it's a dragon, fire-breathing dragon.
Let me see.
It's really red.
Oh.
And then over here is like a Joker hat with bells and everything. This one I think is Jello. I think this is Jello. Yeah, I think it's Jello. Down you see. And then the last one here is like, I think it's like a flask, like a green flask, like with chemicals and everything. And then this big one is like a toy, like a collectible. It's a unicorn girl. As you can see, she has red, orange, green, and blue hair in the back, and she's like in a costume. You could see her face. She's smiling, and her feet are right here. And then back here, I think these are wings. Weird looking wings that look like horns on the side. And then on the tail is purple.